A quick take from AAP itself. Reena Gupta, your take on how this is going to be implemented. First of all, this 1,000 rupees itself was promised back during the months of Lok Sabha, but it's taken quite a few months for it to finally be cleared by the cabinet. So a promise like this made by Arvind Kejriwal, do you think it will face more delays or will it be implemented as promised?
नबिला जी, अरविंद केजरीवाल जो कहते हैं वो करते हैं। जब 2013 का चुनाव था तब हमने बोला था कि हम बिजली मुफ्त और पानी हाफ करेंगे। तब सबने बोला कि ये पॉसिबल नहीं है, लेकिन हमने ये करके दिखाया। ठीक उसी तरह जो ये महिला सम्मान योजना है, इसको भी हम करके दिखा रहे हैं। अरविंद केजरीवाल जी को एक गलत षड्यंत्र के अंतर्गत जेल में डाल दिया, नहीं तो ये महिला सम्मान योजना बहुत पहले ही लागू हो गई होती। अब हमने ये आज ऐलान किया है कि 1,000 रुपए इसी कैबिनेट में अप्रूव हो गए हैं और अगर दोबारा से आम आदमी पार्टी की सरकार आती है तो इसको बढ़ाकर 2,100 किया जाएगा।
यही पूछती है ऑपोजिशन के पैसे कहां से आ रहे हैं to announce the kind of freebies at this point. Or Aam Aadmi Party has already been giving free electricity, free water. Is this not taking a lot of load or putting a lot of load to the state exchequer? पैसे कहां से आ रहा है?
देखिए, सिर्फ एक दिल्ली सरकार है जो अभी भी घाटे में नहीं है। जब हमारी दिल्ली में सरकार आई थी तो 30,000 करोड़ का एनुअल बजट होता था। आज वो बजट 75,000 करोड़ का है। तो अगर आप ईमानदारी से काम करते हैं तो आपका सरकार का बजट भी बढ़ जाता है। अरविंद केजरीवाल ने ये करके दिखाया है और ये जो महिला सम्मान योजना है, मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि इसका भी बजट में कोई इशू नहीं होगा, क्योंकि अरविंद केजरीवाल खुद एक पढ़े लिखे काबिल जो है IRS ऑफिसर है। उनको पता है कि बजट को कैसे मैनेज करते हैं, अकाउंट्स को कैसे मैनेज करते हैं। So I'm very sure our revenues will go up and this scheme will also be implemented in its full.
Are you sure as you have a strategy in place? Because we hear that while he was making that announcement, there were questions posed to him as to how he's going to make this possible. How is he going to double 1,000 to 2,100? And to which we hear Arvind Kejriwal responded that I'm a magician. मैं जादूगर हूँ, मैं करके दिखाऊंगा।
वो एक मैजिशियन अकाउंटेंट है नबिला जी। अभी तक करके दिखाया है फ्री बिजली, फ्री पानी, बढ़िया अस्पताल, बढ़िया स्कूल, महिलाओं के लिए फ्री बस ट्रैवल, ये सब हमने करके दिखाया है विद अ सरप्लस बजट। एंड आई एम वेरी श्योर कि आगे भी आने वाले दिनों में जब चौथी बार अरविंद केजरीवाल जी दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगे तो न सिर्फ महिला सम्मान योजना बल्कि ऐसी बहुत सारी योजनाएं दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए लेके आएंगे।
All right. Shikha Rai, spokesperson of the BJP, for more on that. Shikha, how would you look at this? Aam Aadmi Party, in a way, has managed to win the hearts of people of Delhi. Well, you could say the reason being the multiple freebies that have been doled out since the time that they've come to power, much over a decade. This is a similar format and formula that the BJP has adopted in Madhya Pradesh, the Soren government in Jharkhand, the Mahayuti in Maharashtra. Seems like a winning game, which most parties are adopting. Arvind Kejriwal seems to be the pioneer of that.
See, this election was the one wherein the sitting government should have given the report card for what they have done in the last 10 years, And on the basis of that, they would have asked the people to vote them again. But I think Mr. Kejriwal now is into deep waters and he thinks that all these statements, I even would not say that these are something that is given to the women of Delhi. It is only a statement which is given for the women of Delhi that he would give this 1,000, make it 20, because
but he's given free bus travel, he's given free electricity, he's given free water. If the Delhi LG does not block the cabinet approval on 1,000 rupees, maybe that could be doled out soon enough.
He's given 200 this unit Bijli free to some people, and for the rest of the Delhi, they had to pay it in double or triple terms, as you know. All the electricity bills of everyone else has increased, even the water bills, everyone knows. And now even the people living in Jogis and all that clusters, they have to pay for their electricity bill. We went to all these clusters and people can now very well tell, and they will tell it in the coming elections, they would tell them through vote as to what is being done in Delhi. As being told by the Aadmi Party spokesperson, then Delhi has surplus budget. Ma'am, please, why was not it used for Delhi during the last 5 or 10 years? Not a single new school, not a single new hospital. Why was people of Delhi led to die when there was lack of oxygen during the COVID times in all these hospitals?
Please, can I respond?
No, yeah,
Let
sure.
me just
Reena, please respond.
See, in Delhi, we have given infrastructure. We have built around 200 new flyovers. We have built 250
Please,
kilometers of
200
metro.
new flyovers?
We have built
one?
beautiful schools, hospitals, mohalla clinic, free bus service to women. We are giving 200 units of electricity free in Delhi. If you go to Maharashtra, where it's the Bharatiya Janata Party government, they have given all the electricity rights to Adani. So 400 units of electricity in Delhi.
What happens in those mohalla clinics, ma'am?
400 units. Whereas
what happens in those mohalla clinics?
Units of electricity in Maharashtra, you will pay 4,500 rupees. That is the difference between an honest government in Delhi and an Adani
if I could take your permission and also bring in hopefully a neutral voice, because we know the AAP and the Congress are not aligned.
Where there is 24/7 electricity.
Let's bring in Harishankar Gupta, spokesperson of the Congress, who may be able to tell us how far is this the fact. Harishankar Gupta, your take on the Aam Aadmi Party's delivery in the last 5 years. Has it been top-notch? Do you think the promise made by Arvind Kejriwal is something that we could believe? Do you think the people of Delhi will believe? Women at large are the Aam Aadmi Party's core voters in the national capital. It's undoubtedly that they've benefited with the multiple schemes that AAP has rolled out for them over the years. But this time, after much of that shadow that's been cast on the AAP leaders, be it with the Delhi liquor policy case and a few other scandals in the past, and many projects being delayed, do you believe that people of Delhi will believe and trust in what Kejriwal has to say?
नबीला जी, देखिए, सवाल यहाँ पर बड़ा ये है, अभी जो मैं सुन रहा था दोनों प्रवक्ताओं को, बीजेपी और आप पार्टी के, कि पैसा कहां से आएगा। सवाल पैसा कहां से आएगा ये नहीं है, इससे बड़ा सवाल ये है कि जो हम कह रहे हैं वो कर पाएंगे, करेंगे कि नहीं करेंगे। अभी तक जितनी भी स्कीम्स लॉन्च की गई हैं पिछले 10 सालों में, चाहे वो केंद्र सरकार की हो, चाहे वो दिल्ली सरकार की हो, वो लोगों तक नहीं पहुंची है, जमीन तक नहीं पहुंच पा रही हैं। आप
कैसे नहीं पहुंची है? जो फ्री बस ट्रैवल उन्होंने दिया है, 10 million tickets have been already given out to women. Women have benefited with free transport. उसी का फॉर्मूला और फॉर्मेट हर एक स्टेट में इम्प्लीमेंट किया है और सक्सेसफुल है. तो why do you say it's not implemented and why do you say people have not benefited from it?
नहीं, बस की बात ठीक है, लेकिन और बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी हैं जो इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुई है। बिजली पानी को लेकर भी बड़ी चर्चा होती थी पहले, लेकिन बिजली के लिए वही दिक्कत आई है। बिजली एक आदमी को हम थोड़ा सा बेनिफिट दे रहे हैं, दूसरे आदमी को पीछे से निकाल रहे हैं, एक जेब में डाल रहे हैं, दूसरी जेब से निकाल रहे हैं। आज झुग्गी वालों के जे कॉलोनीज के अंदर भी जो बिजली के बिल आ रहे हैं, वो इतने बिल आ रहे हैं कि लोग नहीं भर पा रहे हैं। पानी के लाखों रुपए के बिल आ रहे हैं, जिसके लिए केजरीवाल जी को ये कहना पड़ा कि पानी के बिल जो है मैं इलेक्शन जीतने के बाद इन सबके माफ कर दूंगा, आप जमा मत कराएं। भाई, सरकार तो अभी भी तो आपकी सरकार है, माफ करने का तो आप अभी भी कर सकते हैं। लेकिन ये क्या बात हुई कि हम बाद में माफ करेंगे जब जीत कर आ जाएंगे? तो जीत कर आने के बाद तो बहुत सारी चीजें कही जाती हैं। कांग्रेस पार्टी भी जो 2100 रुपया केजरीवाल जी कह रहे हैं 2100 रुपया देंगे हम लोग, कांग्रेस पार्टी भी प्रॉमिस कर रही है। चुनाव का मैनिफेस्टो हमारा तैयार हो गया है, उसमें मेजर पॉइंट यही है कि हम 3100 रुपया प्रत्येक महिला को प्रति माह देंगे दिल्ली के अंदर। ये कांग्रेस पार्टी का प्रॉमिस है दिल्ली के महिलाओं के लिए, क्योंकि महंगाई बढ़ गई है, लोगों की जरूरतें पूरी नहीं हो पा रही हैं और दिल्ली का जो गरीब आदमी है वो सबसे ज्यादा सफर कर रहा है।
तो आप कहते हो कि it's necessary to be giving this kind of sops to the women of the national capital. Even the Congress will do it. Will this also be your poll plank? My same question even to the BJP spokesperson. Are you also going to be promising the same for women in Delhi?
They have already done it. They have already given 7 guarantees to the rickshaw, scooter walas. They have already given.
All right. Ma'am, Shikha, is the BJP also mulling the same? We know that Arvind Kejriwal has more or less emulated what Eknath Shinde has done in Maharashtra. Before winning, he said, I promise to give you this certain amount, and if we win, I'll double it. Precisely what Arvind Kejriwal has said for Delhi. Are you also going to commit for
I tell you what,
the
they are
women of
in
Delhi?
they are in government. They were in government. I am just asking. It's being told that Delhi is surplus, is having surplus budget. So why didn't they give it? You know, in the first case, if they had it so, and I just can't understand to say so. Now it is 1,000, and after if you get me to par, I'll give you 2,100. What is this kind of kind of bravery? I cannot understand.
But that's
If it
what
is
even Eknath
2,100,
Shinde did. Your Mahayuti alliance partner, your deputy chief minister in Maharashtra, also committed to the same for the people of Maharashtra, women there.
Maharashtra is already given lots of benefits to the women of Maharashtra. That is why they have voted for Maharashtra, because there was development all around. I am asking, if there is a surplus budget, okay, you give benefits to those who are needy, then why not even the development on just one count? We have
Okay,
been
you
told
say
that
lack
there are
of
new
development.
schools.
Shikha, if you say lack of development on five accounts, or your view of where Delhi has failed to see development, in which five areas do you see Delhi has failed?
Where is the development one can see? Promise was made that Delhi will be made as London and Paris. One, Yamuna will be cleaned. There'll be lesser pollution. There were many other promises given by Mr. Kejriwal. On which count has he succeeded? To say so that we have a model in schools, to build few more rooms in the existing schools. In the existing school, is it the model that they have given? Schools do not have principals. Schools do not have teachers. Schools are not equipped to teach children. The number is falling in these schools. How come it is a model which they are going to present to the rest of the world, to the rest of the nation? They're saying hospitals, mohalla clinics, all are locked. All keep locked during the COVID time when they were most required. And what happens in the mohalla clinics? Are there any doctors in these mohalla clinics? Is there any new facilities, new infrastructure, even in the existing hospitals? What to talk about the new hospital? When the population is increasing every day, so where are the new hospital? Where is the new college? Where is the new school? One single. The Aam Aadmi spokesperson was saying 200 flyovers were made. You tell me, if that would have happened, Delhi would have, got free of these traffic jams. So where is the development?
So let me bring in Reena on that. Reena, the Delhi model is a hoax. That's what the opposition BJP says. It may have, do you believe that it's lost its sheen? Of course, you're going to defend it. But the Delhi model, be it schools, hospitals, the way it began, is no more functioning in a similar manner. They're not benefiting the actual people that it was built for. Allegations of corruption on many of the Aam Aadmi Party netas, including the former Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal himself, who's still fighting the liquor policy case. So do you believe that the people will believe in the Delhi model now? That Kejriwal is selling to them yet again?
Nabila, the people of Delhi believe in Arvind Kejriwal. No matter how many allegations Bharatiya Janata Party has tried to put on him in the past few years, people of Delhi firmly believe that Arvind Kejriwal has always worked for the people of Delhi. Delhi is half a state. Now, Delhi government is responsible for health, education, infrastructure, whereas the central government is responsible for law and order. What have they done for law and order in Delhi? Every day there is kidnapping, there is firing in broad daylight. Women are scared of leaving their houses because they might be raped. So please answer me, what has the central government done for the law and order for the people of Delhi? किडनैपिंग और फिरौती और फायरिंग ऐसे हो रही है जैसे दिल्ली ना हो, कोई बिहार का इलाका हो। देश की राजधानी ने इनको एक काम दिया था, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर का। 16,000 पुलिस कर्मचारियों की वैकेंसी है। क्यों इन्होंने पुलिस कर्मचारियों की वैकेंसी नहीं बढ़ी? क्यों हर समय दिल्ली में रोज जो है किडनैपिंग हो रही है? आप देखिए, 2 दिन पहले विश्वास नगर में एक बर्तन के व्यापारी मॉर्निंग वॉक के बाद वापस आ रहे थे, उनको गोली मार के हत्या कर दी गई। आज सुबह त्रिलोकपुरी में फायरिंग हुई है। मतलब फायरिंग ऐसे आम हो गई है जैसे कि कोई डाकू पूरी दिल्ली में घूम रहे हो। एक काम था सेंट्रल
Reena,
गवर्नमेंट का,
you know, as
दिल्ली में
I
law
do
and order
agree
था।
that Delhi's
Law
law and order
order
has
क्यों
been a
नहीं ये
concern.
लोग, सही कर पाए? बताएं, इस बात का जवाब
Delhi's
दें।
law and order has certainly been a point of contention. It's been concerning. But at the same time, the Aam Aadmi Party's promise on clean Delhi, green Delhi, pollution-free, cleaning River Yamuna, the list could go on, garbage-free. You all haven't been able to really successfully implement that. Delhi's still seeing parts of it inundated with garbage. Pollution, let's not even begin. We're the worst in the world. How are you going to convince the people that you're going to commit to the promises that you've made?
Nabila, pollution is a problem of North India. So let's not talk about only Delhi. Is the air quality any better in Gurgaon and Noida and Ghaziabad and Muzaffarnagar and Meerut and Lucknow and Kanpur? This is a problem of Indo-Gangetic plain.
What happens with
so
Yamuna?
Everybody in the Indo-Gangetic
River Yamuna
plain
project where you wanted to
have to
clean
work
River Yamuna
together.
was part of
No,
your
no.
plank. That's nowhere in sight.
Yamuna cleaning again is a interstate issue. All the river cleaning is an interstate issue, and because they put our chief minister inside behind bars in a false case, some projects were delayed. But we will continue to work on Yamuna cleaning. We will continue to work with the central government on cleaning the
Same
air
old
of the whole
promises.
Indo-Gangetic plain. But
We will
law
do
and
it.
order is one
Please give
issue
us
which
vote.
is
We will do it in next
fully
5
under the
years.
central
Okay.
government. Can they answer how come the law and order in Delhi has deteriorated to such an extent that women are scared to step out of their own homes?
I'll
See,
take this
that would
final
have been
word
so,
from Hari
people
Shankar
of
Gupta.
Delhi would
Thank you
not
very
have
much.
voted for
Final
the
word from Hari
MPs.
Shankar
7
Gupta. Sorry,
MPs in
lack
Lok
of
Sabha.
time. Mr. Gupta, the AAP has very clearly declared no alliance with the Congress party. How does the Congress even attempt to fight this election with two giants like AAP and BJP in the national capital?
देखिए, कांग्रेस पार्टी ने खुद ही पहले ही फैसला कर दिया था कि हम अकेले लड़ेंगे। केजरीवाल जी ने तो आप कहा है कि हम किसी से अलायंस नहीं करेंगे। हमारा अपना मैनिफेस्टो है, हमारे अपना प्रोग्राम्स हैं। अभी 30 दिन की यात्रा,
और आपका सबसे बड़ा प्रॉमिस क्या है?
यात्रा जो निकाली है वो जबरदस्त तरीके से निकाली गई है। लाखों लोगों का समर्थन उसको मिला है। हमारे अध्यक्ष देवेंद्र यादव जी ने बहुत अच्छे तरीके से, बहुत अच्छे ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ में उसको निकाला है और लोगों का मन है, लोगों का समर्थन है कांग्रेस के साथ जुड़ने का, चलने का और कांग्रेस को वोट देने का। इसलिए हमें कोई चिंता का विषय नहीं है। चुनाव के अंदर हार जीत जो है वो एक चुनाव का हिस्सा है, उससे दबना नहीं है। पार्टी की कमजोरी कहीं पर भी नहीं है। मजबूती के साथ में पार्टी इस चुनाव के अंदर उतरेगी, अपने मैनिफेस्टो के साथ में, जो दिल्ली की जनता को हर तरफ से सुख देगा, उनके हितों की रक्षा करेगा।
जी, बहुत धन्यवाद. Thank you very much, Hari Shankar Gupta, Reena Gupta and Shikha Rai for joining us on this. All the very best for all the three parties.